Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2017 Harley Davidson XL883 Iron Edition. This bike comes in a denim red with just a little over 1,700 miles on it and is still in excellent condition, even with a very minor tip over on the left-hand side. So let's take our walk around it, show you what we found, what we've got on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. Tires on this bike are still in excellent condition, plenty of miles left on them. And again, this bike comes in a denim red. It also has factory mid controls along with a comfort seat for both the driver and the passenger, as well as passenger pegs. Rear tire, still in good shape, plenty of miles left on that. It does come with the rear mounting hardware already installed on it. And as you can see, we've got a couple of scratches here on the rear fender, a couple of light ones here on the signal, light ones here on the engine cover, and again the mid controls. And we've got a little scrape here on the edge of the mirror, end of the lever, and top of the lever. Like I said, real minor, but it did get tipped over to the left. So, I guess just under 17. 1687 is what's on this bike. Guess the pipes have been cored out too. This 17883 iron will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Harley from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.